Today we are going to share how to make fake bangs without cutting your hair. Brush out the hair. Split the hair into two sections. Put the top section into a high ponytail, and we are going to work on the bottom section now. Create a braid, fix it with elastic. Leave some hair at the end of your braid as you're going to use it for the bangs. Loosen your ponytail and poke a hole under the hairband to take the braid from the back and poke it through the hole. That's how you're going to create your bangs. Then tighten your ponytail. Now we're going to straighten the bangs and fix it with a bit of hairspray. When you're happy with the way it looks, secure the bangs with bobby pins. And that is the finished look. Hope you enjoy it!